Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix unusual activity has been detected from your device in ChatGPT. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to simply go to chatgpt.com, and then from here you're going to go to your profile on the bottom left, and then simply log out of your account and click on log out. Once you do so, you're going to go ahead and simply log in back again. And now once you log in back again, it's going to refresh the page and the cache data. Now, second step is to go to your settings right here, then go to settings. Then from here, you're going to go to your privacy and security. Then from here, you're going to go to third-party cookies. Then from here, you're going to click on see all sites and data. Then you're going to select for ChatGPT and you're going to right here. And as you can see, ChatGPT has 27 cookies. Click on delete and then make sure that you delete it. Once that is done, you're going to finally go ahead to ChatGPT. Then from here, you're going to go to the top three buttons again. Now from here, you're going to go to extensions and then manage extensions. You're going to find a bunch of extensions that might be enabled. Just for now, as a last resort, if it didn't work out, then simply disable them. And then once you disable them, go back to it, then refresh and use it again. And that should help you solve all your problems. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. I'm going to click on download and then download either as a PDF or Microsoft Word. I'll download it as a PDF. Once you do so, you're going to write conversation name or title. And then once you do so, you're going back here. And then you're going to click on new chat. Once you click on new chat, all you have to do is to simply add a file. Click on add file photos. Go to the quick access because that's where you cover it. And then from here, conversation name. Once you do so, this is going to be the start of the project. And now you can simply click on continue the conversation from where it was last, or something similar, just to let it know that this is the previous conversation and so you want to continue it. And even if you say because the last chat was slow, it will work great, and this will give you much quicker feedback. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.